While landing at Langkawi International Airport, you will probably have your things to do list at this beautiful island. You will be planning to visit 7 Wells waterfall. To beat the heat of Langkawi by taking slip and slide in the refreshing waters of the waterfall. Or to visit Sinang Beach and see the sun setting in the waters. Go to the underwater world Langkawi or visit Coco Valley duty-free shops to buy chocolates or souvenirs for your loved ones. You might be planning to visit the Langkawi night market and get the taste of Malaysian street food. But the most entertaining thing to do in Langkawi is to visit the iconic Skybridge by taking the world's steepest cable car ride. If there's just one trip you should make while in Langkawi, it has to be this one. So let me take you there today to see the exciting and breathtaking views of Langkawi.
If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe to get my upcoming travel videos.
The Langkawi cable car base station is located at the Oriental Village, which is at the northwest of the Langkawi International Airport. You will need Grab to reach there if your hotel is not located nearby. Oriental Village is a themed open-air complex housing 30 individually designed buildings showcasing Malaysian and Oriental architecture and art gallery, animal exhibits, clothes, souvenir and handicraft stores spread out around it, plus a few local and international restaurants. It is usually busy with visitors. Most tours of the island include trips to the complex, especially since this is where the ticket booth for the cable car and Skybridge is. Queues are common sight for most of the galleries and attractions, especially in the mid-morning and early afternoon. I will suggest you to buy online tickets to avoid long queues. The cable car is the Oriental Village's most popular attraction. It takes passengers up Mount Mat Jinchang, Langkawi's second tallest mountain, which stands at 709 meters above sea level. Many wonder what the big deal is, and the views from here answer the question almost without words. Simply spectacular. The journey to the top will let you see the forested slopes of Mount Mat Jinchang. The ride afford a view of the surrounding forest, the 7 Wells waterfall, as well as the sea. The gradient or the slope between the base station and the middle station is said to be the one of the steepest in the world at 42 degrees. As the gondola starts moving up, you will feel how the temperature starts dropping quickly. You will soon get cool breeze flowing in through the ventilation slit. If you look up, you can see the middle station far way up on a ridge top. If you look down, you can see the buildings of Oriental Village with their gabled red roofs and becoming tinier by the seconds. The ride over dense rainforest is an experience for all to enjoy. The cable car in Langkawi or the Langkawi SkyCab offers an unforgettable experience away from the beach. We are now at the middle station, 650 meters above the sea level. You can alight at the station and walk up to the viewing platform, or continue to travel on the gondolas for another 450 meters up to the top station. Both at the middle station and the top station, there are these viewing platforms to soak in the marvelous sights all around. However, the view from the top station is even better and more breathtaking. It's always good to be on hard ground where the world does not shake and wobble with just a light breeze. Couple that with a breathtaking view, factors that would soothe our nerves. day, you will see the many tiny islands scattered in Andaman Sea down below. Now let's move towards the top station. Here, the cable car make a 45-degree turn to reach the top station. You can see both Skybridge and top station from the cable car. This angle from middle station to top station is not very steep. There are two circular viewing platforms at the top of Gunung Mashikang, which are both a short walk up the stairs from the top station and offer 360-degree views. From the viewing platform, you can view panoramic view of the Langkawi Island at one side and the Skybridge just below the top station. The top station is located 708 meters above sea level, is about 5 degrees centigrade cooler than the lowlands. Towering mountains, caves, and overhanging cliff walls in a panoramic setting. On the north side, some of the Thailand islands are visible on a clear day. The view on the top level are truly spectacular, green mountains surrounded by the blue seas. Skybridge is a magnificent curved suspension bridge, which is one of the greatest feats of engineering. You will need to walk on the bridge to believe the kind of creation it is. You get a different perspective of the surroundings as you walk over it. Well, let's go experience it. The Langkawi SkyBridge is a 10-minute hike from the highest SkyCab terminal. Suffice to say, the track is quite a challenging one, although it is short. The steps are very steep, and I would advise elderly travelers to think twice before proceeding further. One is moving downwards on the hike towards the bridge, but on the return you have to climb the same 300-odd steps. Having said that, the 360-degree views are amazing and well worth the climb. The other way is to take Skyglide and forget about taking stair back and forth from the top station. If you have ever imagined walking on a footbridge which is hanging high up in the sky and soaking in the exhilarating views of mountains and the sea below, you can actually fulfill that dream here. is a curved, suspended bridge made of steel that hangs at an altitude of about 700 meters from the sea level and supported by a single pylon in the middle. Sections of the bridge are transparent, providing views of the mountains directly below. Terrific views to be seen from the bridge. The pylon, which is a tall tower-like structure, has a record-breaking height of 82 meters from the point where it is grounded on a ridge and keeps the bridge suspended in an open space next to the peak of Mount Mat Chingchang. Although it can be a little unnerving underfoot as the platform seems to move with each step you take, once you overcome the initial fear, you will enjoy the whole experience.
Let's go.
There are two triangular platforms at two ends of the bridge, which are wider and serve as resting and viewing areas of the tourists. It is considered amongst the longest curved pedestrian bridges in the world. The curved shape of the bridge gives a unique feeling as you walk along. It provides different perspectives of the surroundings with every gentle turn you take. Walking along the Skybridge offers you the chance to view the landscapes, flora and fauna from a different perspective. No camera or video can really show the beauty this place offers.
If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos.